Hey, what's up everyone? It's Duncan from Overland Journals. I had a couple of subscribers write to me and ask me about my flip out table on my tailgate. So I thought I'd do a quick video so that it's for the benefit of everybody else. So come check it out. So what I did was I had some Moraine ply lying around at home, and that's what I would recommend if you are thinking of building one as well, because Moraine ply is very durable when it comes to moisture and water and other liquids falling on it. So what I did was I cut it to length of the tailgate. However, keep in mind, leave enough space on the edges so that when you shut the tailgate, it does not clash with the rubber beading on the back here. Also important, leave a little bit of space at the back here so that when the tailgate closes, it closes quite easily without the table clashing with the back rubber beading as well. So that's very important, so leave enough space for that. Thereafter, what I did was I cut two pieces of equal sizes, so two pieces for the table to flip out basically, and then place the one piece on the tailgate and bolted it in. I just simply used self-tapping screws. And when you're doing that, be very mindful, because on the back here there are certain places where you get the locks, the tailgate lock, and some wiring lying around. So ideally what I would advise is remove the carpeting at the back here first before you do the installation. Get a sense of where the tailgate lock and the electrical wiring is running. Once you figure that out, put the carpeting back and then bolt the one piece down. Once I did that, then what I did was I got myself a long hinge and then hinged the second piece onto the bolted down part, and that's about it. And then thereafter, to finish it off, I put two pieces of Moraine carpet. Depending on what use you're going to put your table to, if you're thinking of doing food prepping, then I would advise, instead of the carpet, go with food grade stainless steel. A little bit more pricier, but then it's the most suitable if you're thinking of food prepping. In my case, I don't do food prepping, so therefore the carpet works fine for me. And then just to finish off the edges, I got some edging, and that's it. It was a very simple fit. Probably took me about no more than 2 hours at the most, but it has been super useful. So I hope you found this video useful to you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscription button, because my channel is all about sharing my experience in overlanding with the rest of the community, and I bring out a video every single week. Thanks for watching.